So what is a tech recce and why does your film need one?
I don't have much time. Send us back, please.
I'm on set today for a short film called It's Time to Eat, which is written and directed by Jenna Dimi. I'm producing and also shooting this one as DOP, and today is our tech recce. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what a tech recce is, why it matters, and how you can run one properly on your own projects. Also, stick around until the end of this video because I'll be giving you 2 essential documents that every filmmaker should have before stepping onto set. It'll make your life 10 times easier. So with that, let's get into it. A tech recce, or a technical recce, is when your key crew visit the film location before the shoot to sort out all of the logistical and technical details. So it's like a prep day for all of the problem solving of your film. So unlike a normal location scout, this one is all about how you're going to shoot the thing. So you are checking light, power, sound, space, safety, and basically answering the question, can we actually film here? And if so, how? So why is it important? It's important because once you are on set with your full cast and crew, there is no time for guesswork. So every issue that you catch ahead of time saves you time and money later. So a good tech recce helps with detailed planning, problem solving, getting the right gear, avoiding delays, keeping people safe, and not blowing your budget on stuff that you didn't plan for. So who should be at the tech recce? At very least, you want to have your director, your DOP, your production designer, first AD or production manager, your sound recordist if possible, and anyone else who needs to make technical decisions on the day. So you don't want to be standing there alone trying to remember how many PowerPoints were on the back wall. What are you actually doing at a tech recce? Here is a breakdown of what it is that you are looking for. So number 1 is lighting. So what is the natural light doing? How does it change across the day? And are there any windows or skylights that are going to affect your shot? What lighting gear will you need to bring? And can you control the light if needed? You can be doing whatever. Yeah. And then I'll just change it slightly, I guess. Number 2 is sound. So are there any noisy appliances? Is there traffic? Are there planes overhead? Do the footsteps echo? Can you turn off any buzz or hum from the fridges or the lights? And will sound department need extra gear like blankets or directional mics? So number 3 is space. So is there enough room for your camera setups? Can you actually fit lights or a boom and the crew in the space? So where can you stash gear when it's not in use? And are there any trip hazards or tight corridors or low ceilings perhaps? Number 4 is power. So are there any outlets? And how many amps can they handle? So will you need a generator? Where will cables run? And can they be safely taped down? And number 5 is logistics. So where does the crew park? How will gear get in and out? Is there space where the cast can wait? Are there toilets? Or is there power for the unit base? And of course, something that's important for a lot of people is, where is the nearest coffee? And number 6 is safety. So this is a big one. So I want you to listen up. One of the most important reasons for a tech recce is to identify any dangers on location and start making a plan to prevent people from getting hurt or damaging the property. So at a tech recce, you will need to fill out a risk assessment document which lists potential hazards. You'll also need to identify ways to reduce the risks and figure out what safety measures you need, like signage or mats or maybe people. So then make sure everyone on set is briefed properly. So if you want to download a free risk assessment template that you can use on your next shoot, there is a link for that in the description. And if all of that feels like a lot to remember, then don't worry because I've put together a simple tech recce checklist that includes everything that I've just gone through. You can grab that for free in the description as well. Just follow the link, download it, and the next time that you are doing a tech recce, you can just tick the boxes as you go. Nice and easy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.